3 minutes ago, NASA released images they can't explain. What the Webb saw defies every law of physics.
The light moved with purpose, like thought traveling through space.
Every second, the object changed position beyond prediction.
Something inside the image was alive.
Light organized like machinery. Space turned cold where light should burn. The observer had become the observed. Geometry became language.
It wasn't the first time we'd seen this signature. Two signals communicating in light. Coincidence or connection?
A structure built from radiance.
They had no term for what they witnessed.
The void itself moved.
Order inside chaos. Nature repeating itself.
Light frequencies, whispering information.
Home reflected in the unknown.
Power, precise and controlled. Machines faltered where science met mystery. The signal vanished, but not its echo. Hidden forms revealed when brightness fades.
Architecture inside illumination.
Motion stopped, as if aware it was being observed.
It's stabilizing itself.
Even silence in the room had rhythm.
Connection established. Two minds across the void. A universal tone of harmony, now alive in space. Sound became light.
Matter forming under invisible design.
It was aligning itself between us and 3i/Atlas.
Energy release recorded at every level of detection.
The anomaly was no longer distant. Inside the light, movement. The light blinked.
The universe dimmed for 1 second.
And then, a voice made of static.
They all heard it. But no one could speak.
Power beyond containment.
James Webb closed its eyes.
And yet, it stayed, watching through the dark.
Every sensor turned silent, except one.
Heat without fire. Motion without time.
A rhythm of precision, like a heartbeat written in light.
It was building something within itself. A design echoing James Webb's own mirror. Gravity itself was responding.
The pulse matched the sun-'s heartbeat.
It wasn't just near the system, it was part of it.
Every 61 seconds, it called out again.
Not random.
Mathematics that mimic life itself. Separation without destruction. Contained power Messley, limitless and precise.
The universe speaking through vibration.
It was releasing something microscopic and radiant.
Particles arranging like code.
Gone, as though reabsorbed by space itself.
Time itself looped within the signal.
It was moving closer, on its own.
For a moment, the telescope became part of it.
For 12 full seconds, there was nothing.
Something was still out there, whispering in radiation.
It was now echoing our own sun.
Ripples through space we, waves no sound could carry.
It was no longer light, it was structure. Its focus was clear, its path deliberate.
Transmission complete.
Mathematics from two worlds colliding. The same number found in every cosmic signal ever recorded.
They all knew what that frequency meant.
Then it folded space around itself.
It wasn't leaving, it was transitioning.
A trail of energy, cutting through the void. And then, The pulse changed direction.
Every satellite caught it in entry. Every ear in space heard it.
The message changed. Now it sounded mechanical.
It began to match our speech frequency.
Not transmission. Repetition.
Whatever it was, it knew it was being seen.
And somewhere between Earth and 3i/Atlas, something waited. Just when they thought the light had vanished Bauschenay, it blinked again. Something small was still orbiting Webb itself.
Fragments of the object had followed the signal home.
It was forming an orbit of its own. Whatever it was, it now moved with us.
The telescope had become its mirror.
Dual forms, like eyes opening.
Two sources breathing in sync.
Even the AI had to give it a name. Connection restored, but for what purpose? The signal crossed worlds again. Earth itself was answering.
Dual destinations. Dual messages.
It was bridging the two worlds.
Even the sun reacted to its call.
Breaking into memory.
Fragments sent to every corner of the system.
The message was never meant for us, but we heard it.
Humanity's eyes had seen too much Took and understood too little.
In silence, the universe waits to be seen again.